Let us see how to use line and word anchors. By default, regular expressions will match anywhere in the text. You can use line and word anchors to specify additional restrictions regarding the position of matches. These restrictions are made possible by assigning special meaning to certain characters and escape sequences. The characters with special meaning are known as metacharacters. In case you want to match these special characters literally, then you can escape them with a backslash character. Caret and dollar are meta characters to match at start of line and end of line respectively. Let us see an example. Suppose I want to search this. So there are two matches here. But suppose I want to match only at the start of the line. So in such cases, I can add the caret meta character. So now I should get only one match because this particular occurrence is not at the start of the line. Let's see an example with end of the line. So I'm going to match closing parenthesis and I'm going to use $anchor and press enter. So you can see these three are the only matches. This particular character is not matched because there are more characters after that. If you combine caret and dollar meta characters, you can match empty lines. So let's see an example. Caret followed by dollar. To press enter. So there are two matches in this particular sample file. You might wonder why this particular line is not matched. So because there are some empty spaces in that line. So let me show that. So there are space characters, which is why this did not match empty line regex. Let's go back. Next, let us see how to match start and end of a word. Word characters include alphabets, digits, and underscore. So if you use backslash followed by less than key, then that particular pattern will be matched only if that is at the start of a word. If you use backslash followed by greater than key, then that particular pattern will be matched only if it is at the end of a word. You can use both start and end if it is needed. Let's see some examples. Suppose I search for his. You can see there are a lot of matches, but I don't want to match his if there are word characters before that. So what I can do, can add backslash followed by less than key. So now these particular matches won't occur because there are word characters before his. Remember that underscore is also a word character. Now if I use his followed by backslash and greater than key, then you will get matches only if his is at the end of a word. So history does not match because there are characters after S, and here also there are characters, and recall that numbers are also part of word characters. So this is also not a valid match. And now let us combine both start and end of word. So these are the only two matches. Hyphen is not a word character. So this is a whole word. Let's go back. End of line definition might vary depending on your system and file format setting. So these could be carriage return, new line, or a combination of these two characters. You can go through the help topic pattern-atoms for more details.